want to show you how to play the Southern Gospel classic, Will the Circle Be Unbroken? It's been covered by a lot of artists. I'm playing it in the key of G. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We've got D, E, G, G, B, A, G, B, 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 A, G, E, G, G, E, D, D, E, G, G, B, D, D, B, G, A, B, B, G, A, G. Chorus, D, E, G, G, B, A, G, B, 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 A, G, E, G, D, D, E, G, G, B, D, D, B, B, D, D, B, A, G. And we're in the key of G for this. You can hear it in other keys. Different artists do it in different keys. Then we'll get into the opening, the intro. What I've got for an intro is just G, D, G, D, E, G, D, G. And we'll put the G chord with G in the middle, G, G, B. We'll put the G chord with G in the middle. G chord is G, B, D. And we'll just bring that D down here so it'll sound like... So you just hit the G, then a chord, then a D, then a chord, G chord, then a D, E, G chord. Same thing. So the chord will be in between the bass notes. Then come up here for the melody. Now let me give you the bass. G, fill out the chord, B and D. G, fill out the chord, B and D. Then a C chord with G in the bass. C will be in the middle. Your C chord is 1, 3, 5 on C. So we'll put the G down here. So we've already got the G. So we'll just slide that B and the D up to a C and an E. And we've got the C chord. Then back to the G chord. Fill out the chord. G and G chord twice. And then we'll do E minor chord, but we'll just play an open fifth. E, B, E. Back to G, D, just an open fifth, G, D, and then a D chord, and a G, fill out the chord, slide to C, and back to the B and the D. And then don't go too fast with it. That C chord comes right on that A, which resolves to the G and the E. Back to the G chord. So just play the E and the B with the D and the B. So with that E, see with that D in there, it kind of turns it into an E minor seventh. So the rhythm there, I'll go slowly so you can see it. Play the D7 like this, but it sounds real muddy. So I just go slide right up to the D chord, G, and then for the chorus, we're just going to have G, D, G, D, G, D, G. So kind of like a circle spinning around. Right there, we'll switch to the C, E, G. Back to the G, D, G, D. Now here we're going to go to the E minor. Back to the G. Now to cadence it, to end it, we're going to go up to the G, 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 to the D chord, to the C, and then walk down to the G chord. So we'll go C, B, A, G chord, G, B, D. Then for variety, if you want to, you can take it up an octave and just do it up an octave and it'll sound nice. Slow it down if you want. D7, F sharp, C, D, because it just sounds better than going all the way up to there. F sharp, C, D. See, your D7 is D, F sharp, A, C. So all we're doing is we're leaving out the A and we're playing F sharp, C, and D. You don't need to play the A because it's up here in the melody. And then we come in with the chorus. Do the same thing again. Now instead of playing that, go to right to the G chord and do it like we end the verse. And then go back to the original introduction. And you can play it one more time and you've got it. Coming to the last time through, slow it down, walk it down, but this time hit a 4-part harmony G chord. So you have G and D in the bass and B and G in the right hand. We do it again. C chord, B, A, then slide to, just slide your thumb down to the B and play the G and the D in the left hand. There you have it. Will the Circle Be Unbroken? Hope you enjoy playing it.